Today's medical-centric topic is how to care for your contact lenses and eyes. Contact lenses can help you see clearly without the need for glasses. However, they require proper care and maintenance to avoid infections and other eye problems. In this video, we'll discuss how to care for your contact lenses and your eyes to ensure optimal vision and eye health. Section 1. The first step in caring for your contact lenses is to clean your hands properly. Wash your hands with soap and water and dry them thoroughly before handling your contact lenses. Avoid using moisturizing soaps as they can leave a film on your hands that can transfer to your lenses. Section 2. To remove dirt, debris, and bacteria. Use a multi-purpose solution that's recommended by your eye doctor. Place a few drops of the solution on each lens and rub it gently to remove any buildup. Rinse the lenses with the solution and place them in your clean contact lens case. Section 3. Replace your contact lenses regularly. It's important to replace your contact lenses regularly to avoid the buildup of bacteria and other particles. Follow the replacement schedule recommended by your eye doctor, which may vary depending on the type of contact lenses you're using. Section 4. Avoid wearing your contact lenses for too long. Wearing your contact lenses for too long can cause discomfort, dryness, and even infection. Follow the recommended wearing schedule and avoid wearing them while sleeping, swimming, or engaging in any activities that may cause them to become dislodged. Section 5. Properly store your contact lenses. When you're not wearing your contact lenses, store them in a clean and dry contact lens case. Avoid using tap water or saliva to clean your lenses or case, as they can introduce bacteria and other microorganisms. Section 6. Follow up with your eye doctor. Regular eye exams are essential for maintaining good eye health, especially when you're wearing contact lenses. Your eye doctor can check the health of your eyes and ensure that your contact lenses are fitting properly. Proper care and maintenance of your contact lenses and eyes are crucial for clear vision and good eye health. Follow the tips mentioned above and don't hesitate to consult your eye doctor if you experience any discomfort or changes in your vision.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.